You can see the unit, navy blue color, 14-inch, lightweight and slim design. Let's open. So one hand we can lift this laptop. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Asus vivobook 14 Core i7 laptop. I'm going to unbox this one. Here you can see the model number X1404V model. Comes with a Core i7 13th generation, 512GB SSD, 16GB RAM, DDR4, 8GB is onboard and 8GB is removable, 14 inches Full HD screen. Comes with the Windows 11 Home Edition. So let's unbox this model. This is the design of the top look box. So let's see what are the things is inside. This is the laptop, 14 inches, and comes with the 2 user manual. And this is accessories box. It's a 3-pin UK power cord, and this is power adapter round pin. Let's see what is the ampere and voltage. So 19 voltage and 2.37 ampere, 45 watts. It's a very small adapter. So let's see the unit. So let's check the laptop. 14 inches. Here you can see the unit top look. It's a smooth finishing, navy blue color, lightweight, 14-inch laptop, Asus vivobook. This is the side look of this unit. One hand we can lift this laptop. Strong hinges. Here you can see the Intel Core i7 13th generation processor. One comes with the Intel Iris graphic card. This is the touchpad as well as number pad. On off button you can see. If you long press, it will be off and on. Sonic master speakers. Here you can see keyboard features and 180 degrees flat and camera features, Wi-Fi features and built-in speaker features. All the details they given here. This is a keyboard, black color. On top of that one you can see power button on the keyboard. This one comes with a 16GB memory and 512GB SSD. It has a backlight keyboard also. The backlight button you can see, F7 is a backlight button. This model comes with a built-in OS, Windows 11 Home Edition by default from factory. These are the screen Full HD and comes with a privacy shutter on webcam, built-in mic also. This is the side look of this unit. 180 degrees it will go. So stand and then you can work also. This is a side button, power port, HDMI and USB ports, 2 USB port and Type-C USB and one headphone jack combo 3.5 mm. On other side standard port comes with one USB port and indicators, power indicators and battery indicators. This is the side look of this unit. So total 3 USB port and one Type-C USB port and one HDMI. This is the back side look of this unit. Speaker, 2 speakers are there on both sides. This is the ventilation system and back side. This is the back side look of the unit. The screen resolution is a 1920 by 1080 1080p Full HD screen. So lightweight laptop from Asus vivobook 14 inches. Thank you for watching. Like the video and subscribe to channel.